In this tutorial and review, I will introduce you to one of the best, if not the best, crypto exchange out there because of numerous reasons, guys. First of all, very important, they've been around since 2018, so it's not just one of those new ones where you have no idea who the founder is and all of these guys. And they have proof of reserves. This is a very important factor, guys, because many exchanges out there don't have proof of reserves. This means whatever all the users deposit there is really there in the exchange that they can withdraw this at any time, because there are many exchanges out there, guys, that don't have proof of reserves. That means, for example, if the users deposit, let's say 10 million, they could just take the money and do something else with it. But if the exchange has proof of reserves, then whatever all the users deposited there, all is there, okay, and it's safe and they have been audited, guys. So whatever you deposit there, you can always withdraw it. So that's safe. That's a very important factor, guys. And they also have always very nice incentives, events, and bonuses for new users and for existing users, guys. And if you use the sign up link down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. Always, if you use my link. So if you click on this link, what will happen? You will get here, guys. And as you can see here, they also sponsor after Chelsea, the soccer club. So basically, if you click on the link, then you come here. It says create an account. You type in your email and the password, guys. Yeah. And these are the current rewards, as you can see here, $5,000 in rewards at the moment. You can sign up with your email or with your phone, guys. Okay, you simply enter your email and your password, and basically you are good to go. Okay, so then let's say you are here, and of course, guys, before you can trade, you need some money there, okay, or some crypto. So the options are, you could, for example, if you don't have any crypto, you could buy crypto here, simply here, or you can also do peer-to-peer trading. This means some other users will offer their crypto there and you can buy it, and you can do this with zero transaction fees, guys, there, okay? So, but let's say that you want to deposit your crypto there. And guys, also, I've been trading since many years, but I will do this tutorial in a way that even a complete beginner will know how to use this exchange after the video, guys, okay? So stick with me. So let's say you signed up, then you're here, you go to assets. I already deposited 50 USDT, okay? Basically, this would say 0, but you click on deposit, okay? So you click on deposit. And if you have never deposited anything, basically, you would click, for example, let's say, hey, you go Bitcoin, okay? Select network. Let's say you take the Binance Smart Chain. And if you've never deposited anything, you have to click here on get address, and then it will show you the address where you can deposit it. Okay, very easy, guys. So if you don't know anything later on, guys, you can always check here in the FAQs. There are some explanations here, and whatever you deposit, it will be in the fund account. Yeah, the fund account is basically the spot account. Okay, and if you want to trade, of course, you have to transfer the money, guys. So what's also very special about this exchange is that you cannot just trade crypto. You can also trade, for example, Forex or commodities like gold, for example. This is very special, guys, okay? So, yeah, let's say you have the money here, USDT, and then you want to go to transfer. Yes, you see here, guys, we have the futures account, copy trading account, and so on, but we want to trade, so we go to transfer, okay? So, USDT to fund account, no, we want to do it the other way around. From the fund account, we want to go to the USDT account, okay? Then we say all, click on confirm, yeah? Now it says fund account 0, yeah? Then we go to the futures account, and you can see here, we have the 50 USDT here now in our futures account, guys. And if you would go here, you could make the identity verification. There's a basic and an advanced verification, and the more you can deposit and the more you can withdraw on a daily basis, so to say, guys. There's the basic one, takes you like 1 minute. You just fill out some basic information, and the advanced one takes you like maximum like 10 minutes. You upload your ID and then you can withdraw like millions of dollars per day. So okay guys, so we have the money here. What do we want to do? We want to trade, guys. Okay, you can see here, here's also something like wealth, so you can stake your crypto there, but for us we want to focus on trading. So we go to derivatives, as you can see here, and you see here we have USDT. This will use your USDT as a margin, and then you also have coin margin futures. This means, for example, you could deposit your, let's say, Bitcoin here, yeah, and then you use your Bitcoin as the collateral, okay? But in our case, we have USDT here, so we click here, okay? So then we are here, guys, as you can see. And let me show you, there's also, the option you could do demo trading. Let's say you don't have any, you haven't anything deposited yet. You could click on demo trading, and then it will show you you get some money for to play, so to say, to try the platform. But let's switch back, return to live. Okay, so as you can see here you can see we are trading Bitcoin USDT, and here you can check whatever you would like to trade. For example, here also commodities, but let's say we just want to say Bitcoin, or you can just scroll down and find whatever you are looking for. Or let's say you're looking for something, you can type it in, Aave, for example. But for this tutorial, we just stay with Bitcoin, okay? So let's talk about all the functions, guys, okay? First of all, we have here isolated. This means the margin, okay? Do we want isolated or cross margin? Isolated means, let's say you have $50 in your futures account, so you can use maximum this 50 USDT, okay? Let's say, but you would have in your fund account still $1,000 left. And if you would pick cross margin, then if you would have used up your 50 USDT, then it would take the money out of the funding of the fund account, guys. But in general, I would recommend that you just stick to isolated, okay? So here you can see, you can adjust the leverage. If you don't know what leverage is, for example, if you have $10, yeah, and you have 20x leverage, that means that you can trade as if you would have $200, okay? So you can adjust the leverage here for the long position, yeah? You can go up to 125. Let's say we go back to 20, and also for the short position, okay? Let's keep it like this. And as you can see here, we have the hedge function, which is also very nice to have, because not every platform has this. Hedge function means that you can make a long and a short trade at the same time, guys. So you cannot, some exchanges just allow you to, let's say you open a long position or you open a short position, but here you can hedge. So that means you can open a long trade and a short trade at the same time, okay? Here you also have the price alert. For example, if you have of course you can also have the app on your phone. Here you can, let me show you guys, you can change the currency and the language up here, yeah, and of course you can download the app, okay? So if you would go to this alert function, you can type in any number. Let's say if the price of Bitcoin reaches 62,000, you want to get some alert, okay? There's also a calculator. This means you could say, for example, if let's say you want to calculate a long position, 20x leverage, yeah, open price, let's say at this price, and let's say you would close the trade at 66,000 and your position size would be, let's say, 1 Bitcoin. Let's calculate. Then it tells you already now that you would have a profit of almost $5,000, guys, okay? So that's how you can use this. And let's see, guys, what else do I have to show you that you understand it? Okay, we have the order functions. First of all, guys, before you enter any trade, yeah, you always do some technical analysis, okay? You can check my channel. There are many videos where I explain all of this, and I also do the technical analysis on almost a daily basis to show you what trades are upcoming or which trades could be interesting, okay? So guys, yeah, before we enter a trade, we always plan accordingly. But for this video, I will just show you, for example, I use TradingView for charting, but you could also do it here. For example, long position, that means you want to have a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, let's say you enter a long trade here, then you can plan already. Okay, let's say you want to stop loss down here and you will take the profit up here. This shows you have a risk to reward ratio of 3.5. Okay, so this is how you plan. You should always plan first, guys. Subscribe to my channel and check out my channel to get some in-depth knowledge about this. Okay, so let's talk about this. We have here the order types. Okay, first of all, you can see here open long, open short. Yeah, what are the order types here? The order types are limit order. This means, for example, you see the price of Bitcoin at the moment is at $61,000. Okay, guys, you see that? And if you have a limit order, then you are a market maker. Basically, you are a maker. And if you take the market order, then you're a taker. Okay. So if you put a limit order in the order book, then you will get a reward. So you will get a small percentage as a reward to your account because you are a market maker. So let's say, for example, you want to have, let's say, if the order price of Bitcoin goes to the price goes to 58,000, yeah, then you want to enter a long position. Let's say, for example, if you type in 10 USDT, yeah, and we have the leverage of 20, this means that you will have a $200 position, okay? Because 10 times 20 is $200, okay? So if you would place this now, open long, this means that the order, yeah, you can also, even before you open the order, you can say, okay, you can type in the take profit price, for example, up here, this price, you can say, okay, I want to close it at $62,500 and I want to close it before we get liquidated. Liquidated means, I will show you guys, you can see here, liquidation price 55,337. Because you use leverage, yeah, when your collateral, this $50 would be used up, then the position gets closed. And you should always, guys, have a stop loss above the liquidation price, because it is more expensive if you get liquidated than if you just if you just close the position triggered by your stop loss. So always, guys, always use a stop loss higher than your liquidation price. Anyway, it's not possible to set it lower than the liquidation price, but always try to avoid to get liquidated, guys. Always put your stop loss above the liquidation price, okay? So before we enter the trade, we could already say when we want to close it and when we want to take the profit, okay? So in this case, let's say we just go to, yeah, let's say we say open long. So open long, I can say, okay, confirm. Then, guys, you will see open orders. Now we have it here. It says if the price of Bitcoin, yeah, reaches, as we said, 58,000, then we open this position. You can still adjust it here, yeah, or we can cancel it here. So we can keep it here. Let's say this would mean now, if the price of Bitcoin reaches 58,000, we will open a long position, okay? So market order, what does it mean? Market order means, let's say you type in, doesn't matter, let's say $10, yeah? And if you click market, it will immediately open the position. Not like a limit order, it will not be placed in the order book for some time. It will just execute it at any order. Let's say if you want to open a long trade, then it will match with any of the prices here of the people who want to sell. Here are the prices of the people who want to buy, and here are the prices of people who want to sell, okay? So it will match as fast as possible with any of those prices, and then you will be in the market, so to say, yeah? Then we'll have a position. Trigger price, what does this mean? Trigger price would mean, let me show you. For example, this means you could type in if the price of Bitcoin reaches 55,000, okay, this will trigger your order. Then you want to, let's say this will just trigger the order, and then you can type in how much you want to buy then, for example, okay? Let's say if the price of Bitcoin, this means reaches $55,000, then, yeah, you want to buy at the price level of $54,900, $10 of Bitcoin, okay? This would trigger it. This would be your price you want to execute it at, and this is your position size, okay? So basically, these are the three functions, guys, and you can always say, see here, when you would get liquidated, for example, okay? So let me show you guys. let's open a trade that you can see how this would work. At the moment, let's say we open a market order, and as you can see here, if we have a leverage of 20 times 10 would be a $200 position. But let's say for the video here now, we make a leverage of 10, okay? Confirm. And then let's say we want just, let's say $2, okay? And it will, yeah, this will be our position then, guys. And of course, if we make a market order, they will take some fees. So let's just open it right now, guys. Confirm. So now we have a position, as you can see here. It's worth almost $20 because the fee of the market order got deducted, as you can see here. And now we can see the following. This is our position size, yeah. This is your unrealized profit or loss. At the moment we are at 0, or now in a slight small loss. And as you can see here, we have the estimated liquidation price, and here is our margin, okay? So if you already have a position, you can always add or adjust your stop loss here, yeah, or the take profit can also be adjusted here, yeah. Always, if it's already open and you didn't do it, you can always add it later or adjust it. So if you would go now to close position, guys, okay, as you can see here, we are in a slight profit now. You can either close the entire position at market price, 100% of it, or you can say, okay, I just want to close 50% of it. You click on confirm and 50% of your position will be closed. Or you say limit order, same, you could say, okay, I want to close 50% at whatever price. Let's say at 62,000, you want to close 50% of your position, then you click confirm, and then it would be in the order book here, as you can see here, guys, okay? So this is our position. These are the open orders at the moment, guys. This is the partial close. And I would say this is basically all you have to know to be able to trade here, guys. And you can always readjust your leverage, yeah? You can always go here and readjust it for the long position, for the short position. And you can always see what's going on down here, all your open positions. And you can also sort your positions by, when you open them, by position value or unrealized profit or a loss. And you can close all your positions if you click here on close all. That's how this platform works, guys, yeah. If you should have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Just put the question in the comments. So, and don't forget, guys, if you use my sign up link, you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. And yeah, so that's the tutorial, guys, and it's a really good platform. I hope you make a lot of money with this platform, and I wish you all the best, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you.